What is up, YouTube? Today, you already know, we're going to be swapping out the brake light for a nice LED AUXITO bulb here, and I cannot wait. The bright and the lighting difference is going to be insane. LEDs always kill out the halogens. I'm going to show you how to swap this out. We're going to be swapping out on the 2005 Nissan Altima today, and it's very simple to do, and I'll show you exactly how we get that done right now. All right, guys, so right here to show you the difference real quick. On the right, I got the LED, and now, again, it's daylight right now, but you can just kind of see that lighting difference really good in the eye. It almost makes the light look nice and newer, but just, you know, on the camera, it even shows it too. Go ahead and pump the brakes a couple times. Look at that quick, immediate response on the LED. Looks great, guys. Simple plug and play thing here. You're good on the brakes. You know, simple plug and play design, easy to do, and why not, right? So let's jump right into the install. So to access your housing here, you're gonna just pry back on your pins right there and there. You're gonna expose two bolts here. Both bolts have wires like connected to them, kind of with a harness here. This one here is your main harness for the power, and then the other one here is just a lead for all the wires there. Take those off, and it's going to expose two 8mm bolts. You're going to take out those two bolts right there and there. Once you undo the two bolts there, guys, you then have pretty much exposed the housing itself to be pulled out. Last thing you gotta do is you got this little booty here that you're just gonna push in. Use your fingers or a screwdriver or anything and push it in there so you can actually pull the housing out, and you'll pull it back and snug it up tight once you get it back in place and get your new bulbs in. But now that you got that, all you're gonna do is just pull on the top and bottom here with your hands, depending on how long it's been or if it's ever been out. It might be kind of hard, but there is just some pushed in pops pretty much that'll pop out, and when you pop it, push it in, you'll pop it back in. That's what the tightness is for. But just go ahead and pull out your housing now, and then I'll show you how to put in the new bulbs. Okay, so now we got our housing out. You want to access the two bulbs you're going to change, which is this one and this one. Flip it to its back, and right here they are. Just quarter turns to the left for both of these, and you'll expose the bulb, brake light, and reverse light. Go ahead and pull the bulbs out and push your new ones in, and then you want to clip your harness in before putting it all back in and just test to make sure you're working. Okay, guys, after you tested and made sure it was all good, you got everything put back in, you tighten down your bolts, put back on your harness, clipped it all in. Now you just push your carpeting back here and put your push pins back in, and you are all set. Let's go ahead and check these things out at night. Enjoy.